Hello guys, today I will show you how I earn money online playing play-to-earn games. So I invested my money in the new project BNBMario. Actually he's already working per 42 days, but this project will easily live half a year, like another good quality project. So on the previous video I invested on this game $3,500. It was 7 days ago and now I will show you how much I earned per this time. And guys, you can easily go under this video and click on this link, then you will be directed on this game. Okay, this is Little Mario, and on this Mario I invested only 0.05 BNB. It's around $13, and as you can see I earned 0.01 BNB. This is only $3, but I invested on this Little Mario just to open Big Mario. On this Big Mario I already invested 4 BNB. It's around $900. Why I invested much more money than in the Little Mario? This is because here is more daily persons, and as you can see I already earned, we can tell, 1 BNB, and this is $250. Not bad guys, but after I invested in Fire Mario 10 BNB. This is around $2,000, and only per 7 days I earned 1.4 BNB. As you can see, $350. So together it's $600, and as you can understand, every day from this game I earned $100. But there is also hold bonus. Every 24 hours you will not withdraw your money from this game, you get an additional 0.1%. So that means that after 10 days I will earn 2 times much more money. But you can ask why I invested my money exactly in this game. If you check the analytic of this game, everything will be obviously. As you can see, the balance history of this game is only increasing. I invested my money here and graphic will go like this. So all of this time I will earn money. And guys, the best is no matter when you invest on this game. If you invest here or here, it doesn't matter, you will also earn money, but of course a little bit less than I, because I invested my money earlier than you. But as you can see, first video about this game I created 27 October, and just check this analytic, 27 October. After that this game is only increasing. So this game can easily work in half a year or even 1 year. For example, the worst situation, the balance is increasing, falling, increasing, falling, increasing, and after fall to the zero. But all of this time we will earn money, and minimum it will take 3 months. So for example, if I earn every day $150, because as I told, whole bonus increasing, and this game will working 100 days, together I will earn $15,000 guys. So that's why I invested on this game and earn money every day. And if you also invest on this game now, you will easily earn money every day like me. But I need to inform you, after 1 month, for example, if you invest your money here, the graphic can falling, and per this time you will earn only what you invested. So if you invested $100, you earned $100. But I told about the worst situation. Normally must be like this, and the best situation is like this. But of course we need to know all of risks, that's why I told about all situations. Okay guys, also under the video I will leave my Telegram group, so there you can ask me any questions about the game and I will help you. Also after investing on this game you can easily check the balance of this game, and for example after 3 months if balance of this game will falling, you can easily see it. After that go to your game and click on Mario, then withdraw all of your money. That's why this is minimal risk game, and as I show you and explained, for me this is already not a risk game. Also on my channel I promote only 1 or 2 projects. Another videos, as you can see, is only about scam projects. That's why if I promote some projects, he's really good and I invest my money. Okay guys, if you're interested about BNB game, you can also watch this video and also subscribe on my channel to not lose good projects on the future.